The first Darwin International Dragon Boat Festival opened in the Australian city of Darwin on Sunday, promoting sports and cultural exchanges between Australian and Chinese cities. The two-day festival includes a dragon boat race on Sunday and the Darwin International Trade Show on Monday.
This event will bring people from different nationalities and different countries together. My idea with our cities is how can we work together? How can we find what unites us, not what divides us? And culture and getting together unite us.
3 teams from Australia and 2 teams from China's Guangzhou and Qingdao, respectively, participated in the 200-meter race at Darwin waterfront. The team from Guangzhou, the capital of South China's Guangdong province, won the race after several rounds of competitions.